Hey guys, it's me, Chef Tori from TG Sweet Treats and Grill. I want to show you a trick. So, you want to make something with some potatoes, right? A raw potato. So, you either got to take those potatoes and either boil them, if that's how you want to cook it, air fry them, or put them in the oven. And you know that can take a long time, like 30 minutes to an hour, right? I got a trick for you. And it's in the microwave. Okay, I have some diced potatoes right here. I have a Ziploc bag with just a little bit of water, okay? And I'm going to put these potatoes in this Ziploc bag and I'm going to put it on a plate. All right, I put them in the Ziploc bag. I closed it just enough to leave just a little opening. So when you put it in the microwave, some air can release. Here we go. All right, in the microwave for about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, look at here. These potatoes are done. Fork tender, everything. The only thing about this, it may stick a little bit because of the starch, but these potatoes are fork tender. Now watch what I'm about to do with it. A little salt, pepper, paprika, onion, garlic powder. And this is what we're gonna do. Over medium heat, to give it a little crisp. I'll be back. All right, so potatoes nice and crispy. And I'm gonna put them in these flour tortilla shells. Gonna have some breakfast tacos. Slide a little bit on there. Right? Let me balance it out. All right. Okay, so I got a little bit of guacamole and habanero sauce. I'm gonna put on one. Then I'm gonna take a little chipotle aioli, or aioli, however you say it, and put it on here. And there you have it. Quick potato breakfast tacos.